There's a point where cleaning technology stops feeling like a gadget and starts feeling like genuine daily relief. And this robot vacuum might be closer to that line than most people expect. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 robot vacuum and mop, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for people who want a cleaner home with far less daily effort. If you've been comparing high-end robotic cleaners and wondering whether the newest generation models actually make a noticeable difference, this review is for you. And if you'd like to check pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. The Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 sits firmly in the premium smart cleaning category. It combines powerful vacuum performance, intelligent navigation, self-cleaning automation, and advanced edge cleaning features into one system built for modern homes. It's especially relevant for busy professionals, pet owners, families, and anyone tired of constantly managing dust, hair, and floor maintenance manually. The cleaning performance feels genuinely high-end in everyday use. With up to 25,000 pascals suction power, this robot handles fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and carpet debris with impressive consistency. More importantly, the suction levels can be adjusted depending on the room and flooring type, which helps balance power and battery efficiency instead of relying on one aggressive cleaning mode all the time. Its edge and corner cleaning system solves one of the biggest frustrations with robot vacuums. The extendable side brush and mop are designed to reach into tighter spaces and along baseboards where many robotic cleaners leave noticeable debris behind. In real homes with furniture, table legs, and awkward layouts, this creates a much more complete cleaning result without constant manual touch-ups afterward. The all-in-one dock dramatically improves the ownership experience. This is where premium robotic vacuums begin to justify their price. The dock handles self-emptying and cleaning functions automatically, reducing daily maintenance and making the system feel far more autonomous. For busy households, that convenience quickly becomes something you notice every single day rather than just a feature on paper. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are surprisingly refined. Using Smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt technologies, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 maps rooms accurately and avoids common household obstacles like shoes, cables, and pet items with confidence. That means fewer interruptions, fewer stuck situations, and more reliable cleaning schedules, even when the house isn't perfectly prepared beforehand. For pet owners, especially, this vacuum feels thoughtfully designed. Hair management, automated cleaning routines, and quieter operation all contribute to a healthier and more comfortable home environment. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the system earns praise because it reduces the constant cycle of sweeping, vacuuming, and spot cleaning that pets naturally create. Battery life and smart controls add another layer of practicality. With up to 231 minutes of runtime in quiet mode and app integration that works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home, managing the vacuum feels simple and modern. Features like off-peak charging also help improve long-term efficiency for households conscious about energy use. Now, to keep the review balanced, this is still a premium-priced robot vacuum, and some advanced functions, like automatic cleaning solution filling, require an additional module sold separately. It also performs best when the home layout is reasonably organized, particularly in spaces with excessive floor clutter. But overall, the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 stands out because it focuses on reducing friction in everyday life. It's not just about powerful suction. It's about creating a cleaning system that quietly works in the background with minimal intervention while consistently keeping floors cleaner than most people could maintain manually day after day. If you want a premium robotic cleaner that combines strong performance, intelligent automation, and genuinely useful convenience features, this is absolutely one worth serious consideration. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence. If this review helped clarify your decision, you can explore the product through the link below and decide whether it fits the way you want your home to feel every day.